Hello, hello, hello to all my uniques out there. This is your favorite girl, Akodo. Welcome to another video. I told you guys I was in Nigeria, so I'm going to show you guys all the things I saw in Nigeria. This is driving around in Lagos, okay? To all my returning subscribers, hello, welcome back. For those of you that are not part of my family, what are you waiting for? You watch all the videos, you might as well come join us. You see the button that says subscribe? Click on that button. Wait for the notification bell. Click on that one too, so you will be the first to see my videos once they drop. Now, let's jump right into it. Live from Atlanta, Georgia. Beautiful, wonderfully made by God. Welcome to the big show. Guys, this is Lagos State. This used to be the capital of Nigeria before they changed it to Abuja, Federal Capital Territory, FCT Abuja. Lagos is beautiful. Guys, are you seeing our roads? Are you seeing our streets? Are you seeing our houses? This is so beautiful. I'm carrying you guys along. I also did driving around Owerri. I'm going to drop that video too, so you guys can see me going around Owerri. This was us going around Lagos. As you're looking, there are roads. You know, our roads look so good. There are houses both sides, buildings, offices, and then there are people that are selling stuff. Guys, these people, this is what they do. This is their profession. They just hawk things on the street. You see them, they come up to the window. They're asking you for whether you want to buy stuff. And if you want to buy stuff, you give them the money. These people are talented. I don't know how they do it. They are holding the product. They are talking to you. You give them money. They will take your money, put in their pocket, give you change, all running along with the car. Niger, we will survive. No matter what happens, Niger people must survive. This is our life. We are hustlers. We hustle for everything. These guys you see here, they are hustling. They are keeping their body and soul together. Do you see our streets? Do you see our road? Nigeria is beautiful. If you haven't been to Nigeria, you have to try and come to Nigeria. Lagos has a lot of flyovers. You will see flyovers everywhere. Lagos is beautiful. But Lagos State. Lagos, Nigeria. Lagos is a big city. Golden Gate, is it not the one we have in America? Golden Gate Hotel. This place is full of hotels.
Nigeria on paper have the better win ratio than Egypt have. Seven wins to Egypt's 5, and it's 3.28, 3.25 on the Becking website. So you certainly know that it seems like what's that for Egypt? 2.55. So considering, I don't think you find these odds. They're not basing it on stats. They're basing it on recent form. So that's what it looks like. And I don't think you're going to find this amount of odds. I'm just saying, like, you could have, you know?
It's certainly set to happen. But for today, Betking has got a fantastic set of games for you to stake on. I'm going to tell you the code very shortly.
Wing Restaurant in Ikeja. This is a beautiful restaurant. You need to see their bar. Their bar is nice. This is a good setup, very beautiful. We are here to eat and then leave. Okay. Lagos, una dey try. Una dey try where. My people. This is how we do it. This is how we roll. Niger for life. This is on top of Sin Lab where we came to do the test. So if in case you're in this area or you came to the lab to do your test, make sure you come up here and eat. It's on the 4th floor of the building. It is beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. I'll carry you guys along when our food come out so I can show you guys what we're eating. All right, bye-bye. Our food is here. I ordered for croaker fish with jollof rice. And then this is the sauce, and that's tomato and some cucumber. Nassim is eating plantain, custard, rice, and scrambled egg. All right, guys, their food is good. I like their food. It tastes good. Presentation was nice too. So let me leave you guys so we can enjoy our food, okay?